Here we're working on a Lennox LGA 090H4BH3Y. It's a 410 system. It's 2009. 208, 230, three-phase. Doing a compressor change-up. Here I already evacuated the system, took out the electrical, the crankcase heater, the feet. Getting ready to unbraze the lines and change it out. All three legs were shorted. Customer provided all parts: compressor, contactor, and dryer. Here I've got the old one and the new one together. Getting ready to put the new one in. Got my nitrogen purge all set up to braze in the new compressor. Took out the Schraders. Also, the filter dryer is an 053. Customer gave me an 083, which is a little bigger than the 053. Still, capacity-wise, will be fine. That's what I pulled out of the system, 11.2 pounds. Data plate says 10.6, so a little above. Here I was all happy, got everything brazed in. My pressure sensors back on. Pressure tested, held. Now, here comes where I realize there's a problem after evacuation.